Hi guys, so I saw this recipe on TikTok and I decided to give it a try. So add 1 tablespoon or more of sugar depending on the amount of tea that you're going to make, and then you're going to allow your sugar to melt like you see on the video. Be sure to use very low flame, otherwise the sugar is just going to start burning on early, and then keep on stirring like you see on the video, and you're going to realize it starts to caramelize. So you're just going to continue mixing this until you have this kind of mixture that is dark brown in color. So guys, let me just tell you, this tea was very delicious, and it's amazing to know that there are so many ways of cooking tea. It is not just the normal way that we know of mixing water and milk and sugar and tea leaves. So at this point I was sure that my mixture was ready. Like you can see here, it is dark brown in color and we have no solid sugar left. So, and also be sure to lower your flame at this point, and then go ahead and add the water that you're going to use to cook the tea. And guys, I was so terrified at this point because I added cold water and then the mixture solidified, and I was like, oh my god, what happened? So I think you're supposed to add warm water. I'm not so sure, I can't remember the video that I watched, but anyway, after the water heat up, the mixture started coming together again. So just go ahead and mix guys, until the sugar again starts to dissolve into the water like you see here. And guys, sorry for any noises. The children are back to school and I live next to a school. So after boiling this mixture, now go ahead and add your tea masala, or if you've got cinnamon or cardamom, add 1 tablespoon of each. So I added tea leaves, 1 tablespoon of tea leaves, and then 1 teaspoon of tea masala, and then give this a good mix. Remember, we already added the sugar. So you're going to allow this mixture to boil, and after boiling for like 2 minutes, you're going to add now your milk. And I added a half liter of milk because I wasn't cooking a lot of tea, a huge batch. So just go ahead, add your mixture, and then you're going to allow this to boil. And I let mine boil for like 9 minutes, and this tea was very delicious. Guys, go ahead and try this recipe if you'd like to enjoy another type of tea. So this is one TikTok recipe that I liked, and I'm going to keep trying it. It was so good. Thank you for watching. The tea is ready.